Welcome back. So I still got to get this rear end out, and the way that I was doing it before wasn't working. So I'm going to try a different way. I'm just going to remove those rivets that are holding the bracket that's holding the leaf spring and remove it that way. So I'm going to plug this thing in, put the air to it, and make some sparks. So what I decided is these rivets that are holding this whole thing, I'm going to remove those and just remove the housing, because I might be moving these leaf springs in anyway to fit bigger tires. So why not make more work? I'm actually worried about the phone catching fire that close. It's loose. I'm ready to yank this thing out. And I think it's ready to get out of there. It's been in there a long time. What do we do with that front end? You always put it on the marketplace, but pretty rough. What's really dumb about that is I've got so many hours into those fenders. I didn't really spend too much time on that hood. But I know a guy, the place I got the hood from, the blue one, it's on there now, he's got a huge collection of cars that have been cut up and chopped, and he's a really cool guy. I'll be able to trade him this for other parts that he may have. That's probably what'll go down. But if I can make it cool, I'd rather do that. Maybe I'll build Richard a doghouse with it. That'd be cool. Well, this will wrap up my evening work hour. About an hour, a little over an hour. Got the rear end out, which is cool. But I got to get ready to go to tacos and hot rods. I'm just leaving my hot rod here, though. I could drive my Suburban, but I drove that all day. I drive it every day. So thanks for watching.